Come on now. By the people I love, come to my aid. It's you I'm thinking of. Whoa, now, you I'm thinking of. Whoa, now, for out of that wide, sad enough to sing. Oh, hear me now, come to my aid and care for social living. Oh, you better care now. Won't you come to my aid? Won't you come to my aid? You better come on board, come on board, come on board. Come to my aid. Won't you come to blow? Hey! See just what it means. Look harder now. When welfare decimates, you better care about your fellow people. Tell me why we're liable to die for survival. Tell me why as a nation You better come on board now. You better come on board now. You better come on board, come on board, come on board, come on board. Come on board, come on board, come on board, come on board. Come on board, come on board, come on board, come on board. Come on board, come on board, come on board. Thank you. When the time is right, it's excellent right. I'm gonna do the right thing. Gonna do it to you slow. much harder though. It's excellent, so I'm gonna do the right thing. I'm feeling hot. I ain't never gonna stop to get what you got. You better take what I bring. I'm feeling now much harder now, more than any old cow. Say you feel the pain. Getting harder now. Hey, wow. Sinking farther down. Hey, oh, now. I told you to stop. You're sleeping out loud. You told me you're lost. Where's your understanding? I feel it now, much harder now. Hey, I'm gonna do the right thing. Think you better sing along with me. Hit me now. I'm gonna do the right thing. Come on now. I'm gonna do the right thing in the morning time now. Getting harder now. Hey, wow. Sinking farther now. Hey, oh, now in the middle of the night, when the time is right, it's excellent, right? I'm gonna do the right thing, yes I am. Gonna do it to you slow, much harder than I am now. Hey, I wanna do the right thing. Come along with me one more time, one more time. I'm gonna do the right thing. Come on now. I'm gonna do the right thing in the morning time now. Gonna do the right thing way early in the midnight hour now. Whoa. I'm on fire now. Whoa. Gonna do the right thing. You know I'm on fire now. Whoa. I'm gonna do the right thing. Yeah. I won't give up. I won't give up. I won't give it. I won't give it up. I won't give it up. I won't give it now. You know I told you that I would never dream of leaving now. If I did it right. Hey, now. You know I told you that I would never dream of leaving now. If I did it right. Hey, now. It's gonna be rough. It's gonna be tough. Hit it. All right. I've been laid out from work, my rent is due. My kids all need brand new shoes. So I went to the bank to see what they could do. They said, son, look like that love got a hold on you. Money's too tight to mention. Oh, money, 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 money. Money's too tight to mention. I can't even qualify for my pension. I went to my brother to see what he could do. He said, brother, I'd like to help you, but I'm unable to. So I called call on my Father, Father, Almighty Father. What he say to me?
Money's too tight to mention.
That's what he said to me right now. Yes, it is.
Money's too tight to mention.
Oh, money, 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 money. We're talking about bringing noise. Oh, sitting in the Congress. They're passing all kinds of bills from out there on Capitol Hill. Now they're telling me money's too tight to mention. Cutbacks.
Money's too tight to mention.
Oh, money, 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 money. We're talking about money, money.
We're talking about money.
Come on.
We're talking about money, money. We're talking about money, money.
Money.
We're talking about money, money.
Money.
We're talking about money, money.
Money.
We're talking about money,
Money, money, money, money. We're talking about the dollar bill and that old man that was over the hill. Now what are we all to do when the economy's got a hold upon me and you? Make you funky, brother.
money's too tight to mention.
Oh, yes it is. Yes it is. Yes it is. Hey, now
Money's too tight to mention.
I'm talking about dinero money. All right. I'm talking about money, money. 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 Yeah, I'm talking money. I'm talking about money, money. I'm talking about money, money. I'm talking about money, money. Are you having a good time now? Are you having a good time now? I hope that you are having a real bad time now. Get it easy. Play, boy. Yeah. All right. Sing it to 'em, boys. Come on now. One more time now. One more time now. One more time now. All right. As I look into your eyes, I see the sunrise. The light behind your face helps me realize. We sleep and sometimes love until the moon shines. Maybe the next time I'll be yours and maybe you'll be mine. I don't know if it's even in your mind. It could be me at this moment in time. Is it in you. Could be me, it should be me. Forever, forever, wandering through life, will love come home to you? And the love you want forever, will they be true to you? We sleep and sometimes love until the moon shines. Maybe the next time I'll be yours and maybe you'll be mine. I don't know if it's even in your mind. It could be me, that's ingrained in your mind. Love's indescribable. Could be me, should be me. Easy, ready, willing, overtime. When does it stop? Well, will you dare me to draw the line? You want my body, now you want my soul. Don't even think about it, say no, go, yeah. So wrong. I don't know if it's even in